Right, this is why it's been raining. Why it's been flooding. This is why this place is flooded and stuff completely. And look at that. See if you can see that or not, if you can pick it up. How much rain is actually coming down. And if you just look at that, see that lightning? I'll try and zoom in, but like I say, this is my phone camera, so I'm not sure how well that'll pick it up. It's only made it a small resolution. You can hear the thunder, can't you, now? I'm in my shed, by the way. See, this is my shed. My sister's shed, in fact. Sister's old shed, but it's waterproof, so this is where I am, just filming a bit. I'll try and pick up some lightning from somewhere, have to get a steady grip. Whoa. I love the rain, I love being out in it as well, but I ain't got my umbrella with me, so... And even just there, you can see it's really coming down. You know? It's over here as well. And this is just a ridiculous amount of rainfall. And all this spread is flooded, look, you can see that, can't you? And this never normally happens. Strange, really. Zoom back out again. It's not bad for a camera phone, this, you know. Nokia N73. I want an N95 ideally, but this will do. There's the pond. I mean, this is heavy rain. Okay.